Hi there, and welcome to this video on understanding credit scores and reports. In this video, I'll be sharing with you everything you need to know about credit scores and how to use your credit report to improve your score. So, what exactly is a credit score? Well, a credit score is a number that represents your creditworthiness, and it is based on your credit history. This score is used by lenders to determine your eligibility for loans, credit cards, and other financial products. Your credit score is calculated using several factors, including your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit accounts you have, and any recent credit inquiries. The most commonly used credit scoring model is FICO, which ranges from 300 to 850. The higher your score, the more creditworthy you are considered to be. Now, let's talk about credit reports. Your credit report is a detailed summary of your credit history, including your payment history, current and past credit accounts, and any inquiries made on your credit. It's important to regularly review your credit report to ensure that all the information is accurate and up to date. If you find any errors on your credit report, it's important to dispute them immediately. Inaccurate information on your credit report can negatively impact your credit score and may make it difficult for you to get approved for loans and other financial products. So, how can you improve your credit score? One way is to make sure you pay your bills on time. Late payments can have a significant negative impact on your credit score, so it's important to stay on top of your bills. Another way to improve your credit score is to keep your credit utilization low. This means that you should try to keep your credit card balances below 30 of your credit limit. In conclusion, understanding your credit score and report is essential to maintaining good credit health. Regularly checking your credit report, disputing any errors, and practicing good credit habits can help you improve your credit score and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching. If you want to improve the quality of your life by increasing your credit scores, visit www.credithhealing.org.